Welcome to my channel. How to configure a Netgear router. Step 1. Power off your modem and Netgear router. Step 2. Connect the router to the modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the port labeled Internet on your Netgear router. Step 3. Connect the router to your computer. Use a second Ethernet cable to connect your computer to any port labeled LAN on your Netgear router. Step 4. Turn on your modem, power on your modem and wait for all the lights to remain stable. Step 5. Turn on your router, power on your Netgear router and wait for the power light to remain solid green. Step 6. Go to the router's admin interface. Launch an internet browser on your computer and type one of the following URLs into the address bar: www.routerlogin.com, www.routerlogin.net, or http://192.168.1.1. The correct URL will bring up the router login dialog box. Step 7. Log into your router interface using admin for the username and password. These are the default login credentials for Netgear routers. The Netgear Genie Setup Wizard will display on screen. Step 8. Click on the Mac button Advanced tab and select Setup Wizard. Step 9. Select Yes and click Next. The Setup Wizard will take a few minutes to detect your internet connection and display the congratulations page when complete. Step 10. Click on Take Me to the Internet to verify your internet connection is working. Your Netgear router will now be configured for use with your ISP. Thank you for watching.